Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin. The Philips Hue brand has been a pioneer in connected lighting for the smart home, and one of the newest additions to the lineup is the outdoor sensor. It's a motion sensor that can be used indoors or out to trigger Hue lights. I've found the addition to be both reliable and very useful. Product Marketing Director Mike Deschamps.
Really great product, fully outdoor rated, can be easily installed, battery powered, but will still last for up to 2 years. And now you can really have some more of that peace of mind and security from your outdoor space.
Utilizing some of the recent additions for outdoor lighting from Philips Hue, or to trigger indoor lights to come on as you approach the door. The price? About $50. There's more at meethue.com. You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Now this. How many companies out there have continued to innovate when it comes to building a better radio? I'm Fred Fishkin, host of Techstination, and I'm here to tell you about the new CC Skywave SSB radio from the wonderful people at C-Crane. Bob and his crew really love radio, and it shows in this new compact model that is packed with features. Beyond great AM and FM reception and sound, you can tune into shortwave signals from around the world, listen to ham radio operators, aviation, and more. It's the radio you'll turn to every day, and in emergencies. It will run for nearly 3 days on just 2 AA batteries. Pair the sleep timer with the new Soft Speaker 3, and you've got the perfect radio for your nightstand. Of course, it can wake you up too. Click on C-Crane at Techstination.com and put in the code Techstination for a free flashlight with your order. They love radio, and you'll love C-Crane.